morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinder's trainings, and the war is showing its effect on the equities. We'll come to that, but let's start with the power breath. 5 power breaths every day we do in the morning, and I would recommend that you read a book called Atomic Habits. I just finished reading it, and it says small changes in our life can make big changes in the long term. So this is a good book to read, Atomic Habits, that you can check it out. Okay, so let's do our 5 power breaths. So a ratio of 1:2:2. What is the importance of this ratio? When we are taking the breath in, we are taking in the oxygen for 5 breaths, 5 seconds. And then we are holding it for double the time in. So in this double the time that we hold it in, there is a lot of detoxification that happens, and then slowly we throw it out of the system. So this small habit, can create wonders. And if you can do it maybe 3 times in a day, that would be fantastic. And you can start with 5 breaths, then go to 10 breaths, but don't overdo it. Okay, whenever you are stressed, this is a good de-stressing exercise. So very good morning, everybody who are joining in, and let's do 5 power breaths, and then we will go to the market. Sit straight, eyes closed, spine straight. Don't do it if you are driving. Take your awareness on your breath. Your breath is your connection with your subconscious mind. For full 1 minute, we will be with the breath. Just observe your breath going in and coming out. Be with your breath. Get ready for 5 power breaths. We are starting. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last breath. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Keep your eyes closed. Take the awareness back on your breath. Try to visualize and see all the internal organs of your body. Your brain, your throat, your lungs, your heart, your kidneys, your liver, and everything. Try and visualize them inside at the right place. On my count of 5, slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please open your eyes slowly. Welcome to this world and to the stock market. A balanced mind gives profits. A balanced mind gives profits. Singapore Nifty down 117 points. The worrying part yesterday was the US fighter plane. I think it's B-52 that has come in Romania. And that is not a good sign. Putin has also said if anybody has to run out of Ukraine, civilians, they have to run into Russia. So the things are becoming bad. And if you look at the crude oil is at $139. That's where the crude oil is. It has went up like crazy. And now is the time to start working on the yearly trend line. So I put it here. There are about 250 trading days in a year. So I am, see here. Now we can see this was crude oil here at 1,200,000 rupees. And since COVID, crude oil has gone up by 900%. So it is at 984. Start looking for opportunities for going short on crude oil. Crude oil is overbought now, and most of the bad news is factored in. They're planning of putting a sanction on Russia and get oil from Venezuela and Iran. But Iran is putting preconditions. But I think most of the bad news is factored in here. So let's look at the market from a yearly trend perspective. Gold has a similar story. Look at gold. So gold is also on the overbought side, and in the COVID, gold went almost till this level. So this would be a good time to go to your wife and say, let's sell gold now because gold is at a double top. So how many of you whose wife will say, yes, I'm so impressed with you. You have shown me a double top. Take all my jewelry and sell it. Anybody? Don't even think about doing it. आपकी जिंदगी खतरे में आ सकती है. जिंदगी को खतरा है. So very risky. So, but the fact is, but what can you do? You can sold gold futures. गुरुनाथ बोलते हैं रोटी नहीं मिलेगी, गोल्ड को तो भूल जाओ. सही बात. So this is now USD INR. This is what I hate the most because my son is studying in US. When Vedant went to US, the US dollar was at 62 rupees. Now this stupid thing has gone to 77 rupees. And my cost of education has gone up 77 minus 62 divided by 62 by 24%. The course fees has gone up by 24%. These kids cost about 5 lakh rupees a month as their cost of education. See, that has gone up by 25%. So everything has an effect. Everything has an effect. So Anand says a USD RUB is not listed over here. No, RUB is rubbish currency. So we don't list rubbish currencies. Anand, we only list good currencies, not rubbish currencies. RUB is rubbish currency. I know that. It is rubble. Yeah, exactly. It is rubble. So what is rubble? You just wrote, I'll put your spelling RUBBLE. This is rubble. So that's rubble here. Right, Anand? Rubble? So here on this now, and yesterday my day was very good. Yesterday booked a profit of 31,292 rupees. That was my book profit. 12,824, 15,818 here. So about 31,000 was my profit, and with the market crash, my level has reached. So this is 87,000 of profit this month, and if you need from 15 lakh, I have reduced my capital to 10 lakhs here. 5 lakh I invested in the portfolio, guys. The guys note Tuesday session will start at 9 o'clock regularly. I have postponed those meetings, and I'll be starting regularly at 9 o'clock. Prashad. Yesterday, and if you will go on the site also, I don't know if Nikhil has removed it. Those who want to be part of the investors club, great time to put money in the investors club now. The regular price is 36,000, and this is still there. So that is there. It will be removed today. आज निकल जाएगा ये. निकल जाना चाहिए था कल रात तक, पर अभी बचा हुआ है. This is the offer code. This is only for people who have done our class. If you've not done our course, this is not applicable to you. For Pathfinder students only. You should have an account with us and you should be building portfolio with us. So instead of 36,000, you can get it in the offer price of 15,000, renewal for 8,000. So that is the link that you have. Okay, so now if I go to Nifty, we see Nifty has comfortably broken the yearly trend line. For the first time since अक्टूबर नवंबर यहाँ पे भी ब्रेक नहीं हुआ था ये. For if this was not a very convenient break that happened here, last time Nifty broke below the yearly trend line was in 2019 August. 2019 August. After that, it is breaking for the first time. Above this line, you are in a bull market. Below this line, you enter a bear market. So this is a bear market that we are in now, decisively here. And yesterday also, you see two downs. Bank Nifty, comfortably, it has broken right in December. And the rule is, when it goes down, it goes to an equivalent amount that it has gone up. So if this war continues, you can be comfortably looking around at least this level in the nearby term. 30,000 is a good level for Bank Nifty, about 30,000. That's the market overall. If I look at the stocks with the most, look at the HDFC, this has sold the most, but this would be a good level for HDFC, 1936 roughly. Then HDFC Bank, Reliance. See, Reliance has been a relatively strong stock, even though its balance sheet is not so strong, but because it can easily manipulate its own price, most mutual funds are always instructed to buy it. So that's why it is holding the ground. Another one that is very similar is Adani Enterprise, which is a manipulated stock. Look at Adani Enterprise. Both Guju Bhai is holding their stocks. SBI, TCS, Infosys, ITC, Axis Bank. These are levels we are looking at, and I had very good 4-5 months now. So this month I'm reducing my capital and I will take it a little easy now. In the last since October, since this correction started, the book profit is almost 44 lakh rupees plus there's almost 45 lakhs is the book profit. In fact, the money that I'm putting into the portfolio now is mainly funded with the profits, and that is the right way. The purpose of small caps and mid caps and micro caps is to build portfolios. The purpose of the large caps is to do futures and options trading. That's how it is planned and done. Okay, give me your stocks, guys. Let me check your stocks. What do you want me to see? That's how I divide my 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and 10 minutes. So, SCL Tech, The number of people in this session are continuously increasing. Gale, ONGC. India Bull Housing Finance, Tata Steel. Well, let's start with this. If I have time, I'll take more. This is SCL Tech. Technology stocks have held relatively strong. They have not corrected that much. And SCL Tech is a relatively strong stock. So, with the market moving a little up, this will move a lot up. See the movement yesterday in this one. So, I think this would be a buying opportunity. SCL Tech with the market down, this would be a buying opportunity. Hindalco, again, metals have broken up. See, this was a double top of Hindalco. It has moved up. Until the war is on, this will be up. So, you can follow a trend following system and trade it. ONGC, see another stock that has gone up due to the scenario of oil, and ONGC is a weak stock. So keep an eye on it, and here also follow a trend following. Today, I won't mind shorting ONGC. So ONGC, I'll keep on my radar as a short trade today. Balance sheet is very weak. So I think profit booking is a normal thing into this. ONGC roughly reaching around this level. HDFC AMC is oversold, guys. This would be a buying opportunity. This will be a buying opportunity. It has come on a double bottom, so which is a good buy. So but whenever we say buy and sell, don't just buy and sell. Whatever I have taught you, see if an entry has come with that method. Only if the entry has come, then you should go for it. Otherwise, not. India Bull Housing Finance, another one that has sold down, and this is a weak stock. So there's nothing long in this. And with the beer market coming up, this will go further down. Tata Steel also up due to the metal index gone up. And we see, but Tata Steel has not gone up that much as you would have expected it to be. So I think I like to stay away from Tata Steel for the moment, neither long nor short. Hindustan Lever. Hindustan Lever is oversold. Yesterday also it was oversold, and I think we will get a buying opportunity in Hindustan Lever today. Over the sugar. So this is a pretty strong stock. The sugar stocks are very cyclic, and this one is moving up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. इसका pattern है अभी ये आज red day होने वाला है इसका. Today I think you will have a red day in our sugar. Balrampur Chini. This is again, the sugar stocks are strong for whatever reason. There is money flowing in them, And whenever there are wars, in wars, all commodities tend to go up. And then gain again on oil stock has gone up due to the crude oil price. And this one is also now coming into this double top here. So this one would again be a opportunity for short, but not today. I see from your list 3 stocks worth looking at, and then remember our ATM, which was Paytm. Let's see, where is Paytm now? And Paytm is near our target. हमारा target क्या था? 700 रुपया. Only in 50 more rupees down, and Paytm will reach our target. I think there's few traders जिन्होंने सिर्फ Paytm short किया है पिछले 2 महीने में, and they say we have made a lot of money. How many of you continuously made money from Paytm? See, that's what happens here. So now another one. See, Yogesh, Prakash, all of you. Now we had almost this Adani Wilmar. AWL. Let's see what happened to Adani Wilmar. And Adani Wilmar also is coming down. It's moving down, but this is a manipulated one. Please remember, AWL is a manipulated one. And third one is Zomato. Zomato is also down to 79. 50 rupees is the target for Zomato. So today the market is likely to open down, but it is opening on the level. So don't be in a hurry to go short. And I would suggest you initiate your trades after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you initiate your trade. Another one is Nika. Nika was another IPO which was down 10% yesterday. And look at Nika. And I think LIC IPO is not coming anymore. So it's a classical example. IPO आपके पैसा बनाने के लिए नहीं आते हैं, वो लोग पैसा बनाएंगे उसके लिए आते हैं. And if it was a fair game, no IPO, there would be a lot of IPOs even in the bear market. So great, guys. That's from my side today. Trading room people, we are meeting in the next 3 minutes. And those who want to be part of the investors club, golden opportunity. I have a beer proof portfolio. This time the portfolio I'm making is a beer proof portfolio. Great, guys. Have a good day and see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.